very first thing that I would say to you, Satya, is that I'm very, very, I will appreciate this that you kept the disclaimer or the information that we said to you in mind, and you have written this in a very beautiful way and in a very understanding way. I also went through your points, and those points were short, but also conveyed the entire, the message or what is expected from that question, and the answer is what we want. And I really like your way of research when you basically you read through it and you translated in your own words, which is a good practice. And I would also, suggest you one thing. These are very basic topics. Once I
Mm.
have also mentioned in the document that I sent you for the topics that we have. Once we, even in sessions, passingly, we go through a SAP CPI shape or anything topic related to SAP CPI, I would suggest you instead of, reading it through Google, SAP has their very extensively researched help documents. Those naturally tend to also help you with explaining what that shape is or what that process is. At the same time, when you go further, it gives you the process also that you need to follow. Like, okay, for example, you're setting up a particular shape, how that shape will be processed, what are the, tabs in the shape to input, and what each tab has information that you need to feed, or what each option in those tabs have. I mean, this might sound a little gibberish to you because you have not really gotten into it. But once you get into it, you'll understand what I mean. I would just like to pinpoint one thing that I really found, a little uh, wrong about this document is that you, in this variable portion, the the use of word you. Instead of writing YOU, you have used a single letter
Oh,
U.
sorry. Yeah.
Just no, it's okay. Just try to,
I was going
uh,
with the flow while writing this, so
I
take
understand
my
that. I understand that. I'm just pinpointing it you for the future. Uh,
right.
just make it a little formal because what it's going to do is these documents that you're creating, no, these will naturally help you afterwards.
Mm.
I can, personally say for myself, me and Sahil have also gone through the same training that you are going through right now. So these little documents that we make, no, they help us when we are working on them. So to go back and see, okay, this is what the shape meant. Because some shapes naturally are very, rare that we use it, or they are used in a very advanced point. So the basic that you are going through for few weeks or few months, you will lose touch of those shapes. So if you have noted down what you did or how you did, it will help you. Then it will save you time. Basically, the thing that takes 10 minutes to set up will not take you 30 minutes after researching every place on the internet to how to set it up. It will just save you some time, coming from personal experience. These little documents, when we are making them, we find it the most tedious work. Like, why are we doing this? Like, we could be just, you know, uh, focusing on creating the iFlow, or just fighting with the error that what do you want. But at times, these little things, okay, they tend to also, in dire situations, answer the, you know, your error situations as well.
Okay.
And coming from tech background, when we face a little error, how long does it take to resolve that
Yeah.
error?
True.
Yeah. I absolutely, love the way you have created all of this. It's very informative. At the same time, you've used little examples and everything also. So it's a very good document, I must say.
Thank you.
And I am I have found that almost I can say 80%. Yeah, almost 80% of your understanding to the topic is almost similar to what we meant by writing that topic. the only point where I can say that we might have differed a little bit was data formats, because we use the word data formats in a very broad sense. I'll explain that in the presentation coming.
Uh,
But I also like your interpretation of it, because that is also one of the important points that you have given about data formats.